In this video, you will learn how to make transparent background in Adobe Photoshop. To remove the background from any image in Photoshop while still keeping natural details like hair, start by making sure your image layer is unlocked. In the Layers panel, look for the small padlock icon on the image layer and click it. This allows you to make edits to the layer without any restrictions. Once the layer is unlocked, head up to the Select menu at the top of Photoshop and choose Subject. Photoshop will automatically analyze the image and create a selection around the main subject. This feature works surprisingly well and gives you a strong starting point before refining the edges manually. After the subject has been selected, go back up to Select once again and choose Select and Mask. This opens the dedicated workspace where you can clean up the selection and make it look much more realistic. Inside this window, go over to the View settings and change the preview mode to On Black. Using a dark background makes it much easier to spot rough edges and see exactly how clean your cutout looks. Next, enable Smart Radius. This helps Photoshop detect softer and more complex edges, especially around hair and fur. Set the radius value to 9. This gives Photoshop enough flexibility to better separate fine strands of hair from the background without making the edges look too soft. Now move to the brush settings in the top left corner. Click the small arrow to open the brush options and set the brush size to 135. With the brush ready, carefully paint around the edges of the subject's hair. As you brush over these areas, Photoshop will automatically refine the selection and recover small, wispy strands that would normally get cut off during a standard background removal. Once you are happy with the hair selection, go over to the Properties panel and enable Decontaminate Colors. Then set the amount to 80%. This step helps remove unwanted color fringing from the original background and blends the edges more naturally with transparency. After that, press OK to apply the changes. You should now have a clean, transparent background with soft hair details still preserved. To compare the result, place the cutout beside the original image and check the edges closely. You will notice that most of the harsh artifacts are gone and the hair still looks soft and realistic. And that is how you can quickly create a transparent background in Adobe Photoshop while maintaining natural-looking detail.